yeah, my man. They're behind me. Oh, they're over there. He's behind the red truck now. Oh yeah, my baby man. What? I got three. You hit him? Yeah, I think I hit one of them. I hit one of them. Yeah.
You got one?
Think.
I don't know if you got him. What kind of shit?
Oh, shiz. Maybe I didn't. Just gave away our position. Well, he was pointing at us from over there, so. Yeah, on top of the van. He's pointing at us. I got. They see us really well now. They know it's us, the kids too. Dang it, I hope I haven't BB's my mag. Sweet.
Yeah, they're gonna pop up at the same time.
I know, just wait. We'll spray as soon as they pop up and then get back and go behind the van. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, crap!
You hit? Who's over there?
Real freaking close to me.
Is there a guy over there?
Cover my 6, I need to pop up.
Alright. Did I hit somebody?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I got the guy on the other side of the van. Because one of them's gone.
I'm switching cars.
People are moving up. Back. We're moving up. Freaking A. Move up. Move up to that black truck. I'll come you. You okay? He's focused on you. What? Jesse, we have a guy to our left. What? Oh, that's our guy. That guy's not coming out from behind that truck.
Hit!
Where's he at?